Remedies to restore youthful look of the skin around the eyes in 7 days. How to remove the under eye circles. The list below will show you the most effective remedies to restore and preserve the fresh and youthful look of the skin around the eyes and remove the under eye circles. Rich food and balanced nutrition. Increase your consumption of fresh fruit, yogurt and other dairy products, sprouts, cereals, and foods high in vegetable protein, lentils, beans, peas, quinoa, brown rice, beets, oatmeal. Practice regular physical and breathing exercises. Doing one or more sports disciplines is also beneficial on the life processes of the whole organism. Yoga and breathing exercises, at the very least, promote the blood circulation, regulate blood pressure, reduce the stress and tension from the body and spirit. Stick to a sleep schedule. As you already know, good health also reflects on the appearance and condition of the skin. An average of 7 hours is the minimum of sleep time that a person needs in order to feel fully rested, fresh and energized throughout the day. Stick to a sleep schedule of the same bedtime and wake-up time, even on the weekends. This helps to regulate your body's clock and could help you fall asleep and stay asleep for the night. Power napping may help you get through the day, but if you find that you can't fall asleep at bedtime, eliminating even short cat naps may help. Choosing eye cream. Always choose a cream specially formulated for the area around your eyes. Do not apply eye cream before sleeping. It is highly recommended that the cream contains almond oil. It nourishes the skin and helps fight dark spots. Under no circumstances apply facial masks to the area around your eyes, as it is way more sensitive than the other facial skin and it is quite possible to get irritated. Massage tenderly with cream. Massaging the area around the eyes when applying the eye cream can only damage the skin. Instead, it is recommended to tenderly and delicately touch the problem areas with slight tapping movements using only the fingertips. Regular eye flushing. Release fatigue from your eyes by regular flushing, starting with warm water first, and ending the procedure with cold water. You can also use rose water as it is beneficial for the skin. It has the ability to relieve tension in the eyes area while it also has antibacterial properties. Use cucumbers and potatoes. Cucumber and potatoes are usually the vegetable we turn to when looking to reduce puffiness and dark circles under the eyes. Thin slices are placed over the eyes for around 10 minutes which lighten the skin, causing bruise-like circles to fade. Chill 1 cucumber/potato into the refrigerator. Cut 2 thick slices off the chilled cucumber/potato. Place the slices over eyes, making sure to cover dark circles. Leave on for 20 minutes or, if possible, overnight. Remove the cucumber/potato slices, rinse with cool water, and pat dry. Repeat the procedure 3 times a week. Compresses of ice water and cold yogurt. Apply directly on the closed lids for 10 minutes. The ice water or cold yogurt compresses are amazingly beneficial for reducing the puffiness and dark circles around the eyes. Chilled tea bags. Tea bags refresh the area under the eyes while relieving their puffiness. Mint-flavored tea is especially beneficial. Almond oil. Almond oil is a great mean for eliminating dark circles. Almond oil, as well as the paste of chopped almonds, mixed with a little almond of milk, before sleep, has a very strong healing, smoothing and lightening effect. The mask is washed with cold water in the morning. Prolonged treatment of the area around the eyes, with almond oil, smooths the wrinkles, hydrates, and softens the delicate skin. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please click the link below to subscribe.